There, I just woke up and I'm not feeling well today, guys. Ayan, I'm not feeling well today. It's hard to, guys. Ayan. It's so difficult, guys. Ayan. When I have a menstruation, guys. Ayan. I have a dysmenorrhea, guys. On my first day on my menstruation, ayan. It's hurt, guys. Ayan, I'm not feeling well today. I look so haggard today, guys. I look so haggard. Ayan, and I feel sleepy, guys. I feel sleepy. Ayan. So, ayan, for today's video, guys, I just got home. Guys, ayan, from the, guys, ayan, kakagaling ko lang sa, guys, ayan, kakagaling ko lang sa post office. Ayan, checking my, checking my mail, my, guys, checking my my check. Ayan, meron akong, sa post office, guys, and ayan, I feel so tired today, guys. My face is so haggard. Guys. Ayan. And I feel hungry. I feel hungry, guys. I don't have food today because I don't have budget. I don't have budget, guys. I don't have money to buy food. Guys. Ayan. I'm just kidding, guys. Ayan. So, for today's video, ayan, I feel so sleepy, guys, because of the vitamins. The vitamins that guys, that I drink. Ayan. One of my kind of vitamins, guys, na nagpapaganda sa aking skin. I drink vitamin C every day, guys. Good for the health. Ayan. Good for the immune system. Ayan. And also good for the skin. It makes me young. It makes me young, guys. Ayan. The bubble tea. Ayan. I drink every day, guys. The bubble tea with zinc for my protection. Ayan. For my, guys, it can boost my immune system. That's why every time I drink, guys, after I drink, I feel so sleepy. I feel so sleepy, guys. That's why, look at my face. Ayan. I want to sleep na, guys. I want to sleep na. Ayan. So, that's it for today, guys. Ayan. I need to sleep now. Bye.